Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. Tokyo Disneysia offers a unique blend of thrilling attractions, enchanting themes, and immersive dining experiences, making it a must-visit destination for Disney fans. Must-experience attractions. Journey to the center of the Earth. This thrilling ride takes you on an adventure through a mysterious underground world filled with stunning visuals and exciting encounters. Tower of Terror, a drop tower ride that combines a spooky storyline with breathtaking views of the park. This attraction is a favorite among thrill seekers. Aquatopia, a whimsical water ride that features spinning vehicles navigating through a waterway, providing a fun experience for all ages. Toy Story Mania, an interactive 4D shooting game where you can compete with friends and family for the highest score in various carnival games. Fantasmic, a spectacular nighttime show featuring beloved Disney characters, fireworks, and water projections, creating a magical atmosphere to end your day at the park. Unique theming and atmosphere. Tokyo Disneysia is renowned for its nautical theme, featuring 7 distinct ports of call, each with its own unique atmosphere and attractions. These include American Waterfront, inspired by the early 20th century American seaside towns. Mediterranean Harbor, a picturesque area that resembles an Italian port, complete with gondola rides. Mysterious Island, home to the iconic Journey to the Center of the Earth ride. Arabian Coast, a vibrant area filled with attractions inspired by Aladdin and other tales from the Arabian Nights. Mermaid Lagoon, a whimsical underwater world featuring attractions themed around the Little Mermaid. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. Dining options. Tokyo Disneysia offers a variety of dining experiences, from casual snacks to themed restaurants. Some popular dining spots include Magellan's, an upscale dining experience with a menu inspired by global cuisine, set in a beautifully themed environment. Ristorante di Canaletta, an Italian restaurant located in Mediterranean Harbor, offering delicious pasta and pizza with a view of the harbor. Seaside Snacks, a casual spot to grab quick bites like popcorn and churros while enjoying the park's ambience.
Ba tayo? Kaya
Tips for visiting: arrive early. To make the most of your day, arrive at the park before opening to enjoy popular attractions with shorter wait times. Use Fast Pass. Take advantage of the Fast Pass system to reserve access to popular rides and minimize wait times. Plan your itinerary. Consider creating a rough itinerary to ensure you experience the must-see attractions and dining options without feeling rushed. Tokyo Disneysia is a magical destination that offers a unique blend of attractions, dining, and immersive experiences, making it a highlight of any trip to Japan. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned Disney fan, there's something for everyone to enjoy. What are people saying about Tokyo Disneysia? Is Tokyo Disneysia worth it? Yes, Tokyo Disneysia is worth visiting if you are a Disney fan or enjoy theme parks. Kids, in particular, will enjoy this theme park. There are attractions and rides to appeal to various age groups and interests. How many days do you need in Tokyo Disneysia? It depends, but 1 to 2 days is the ideal amount of time to spend at Tokyo Disneysia. 1 day is enough if you just want to cover the highlights or are short on time. 2 days is better if you want to see and do all or most of the attractions at the park. Please do watch our other Tokyo Japan playlist. What is the best day of the week to go to Tokyo Disneysia? Tuesday through Thursday are the best days to visit Tokyo Disneysia to avoid the thickest crowds. The queues can be very long on Saturdays and Sundays. Mondays and Fridays are also quite busy because some locals take long weekends to visit. Go midweek if you can. Will you get wet in Tokyo Disneysia? No, you don't need to get wet at Tokyo Disneysia. Although many rides are based on the water, this is not an aqua park and visitors won't get drenched. Some seasonal summer rides involve getting a bit wet, but you can choose to participate in these or not. Can you bring food to Tokyo Disneysia? No, you can't bring your own food to Tokyo Disneysia. However, if you want to bring a picnic, picnic tables and chairs are just outside the park. There are places in the park to buy food and drinks. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Is Tokyo Disneysia accessible? Yes, Tokyo Disneysia is accessible for wheelchair users. There are wheelchair-accessible bathrooms around the park, viewing areas for wheelchair users, and wheelchairs available for rent for a small fee. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please like, share, and subscribe.